Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Cruze headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly you wish to service. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll see two plastic clips holding the air intake duct in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop them out. Once those clips are removed, gently pull the entire air intake duct upwards to detach it from its position. This gives you better access to the back of the headlight assembly. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. With the electrical connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn, then pull it straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H11 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing, push it in, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully reinstall the air intake duct, making sure it's properly seated, and secure it with the two plastic clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.